the craziest ride is this pin thing I survived drowning.
That's why he didn't like Guardians of the Galaxy,
You're
right?
way I got.
Because it's just an elevator.
It's like straight. It's very beautiful. It's a nice, well, from what I remember.
The view from the top.
They were spinning around.
Like the
You want to hold on? Can you hold on? Can you reach it? So, you might want to try to reach it both.
Here, no. He said no. You could go see.
Oh my god, that when we did the Guardians just before of the Galaxy, everybody except me, my dad and my sister was screaming at me.
I didn't know what it was, and so when we dropped, I wasn't holding anything, and only the seatbelt was holding it. Like I was like, I was very surprised, and that actually made it fun, not knowing what it was.
Oh no! Guys, please don't wait. Everyone on the side, we need to spin. Spin. Oh no, it's hot. We want to get wet.
Remember, we're gonna get wet here. Just a little bit. Neither did I. High five.
Oh, you guys have a couple of.
Great job.
Oh no.
Oh, that one's even better.
No! There's two over there that will get you.
Oh yeah. Look at you. That one is. That one's so high, it might come to you.
This one will get you guys as well.
Ready?
That was good.
Why did I wear makeup today? It's gonna be a sudden drop over here. That would be so fun.
Oh shit.
Maybe we should have come when it was
Yeah, I better put that away.
Okay, this was probably the first little drop.
Oh, we're gonna get wet, so let's brace yourself.
Oh no, it's
Not
probably
even a drop.
Okay, hopefully it's at least the last current.
Whoever's got their back to it is gonna get a little.
Well, I was on here this a couple of years ago and I was absolutely drenched.
Oh yeah, you got.
Sunscreen coming off. I guess it wasn't waterproof.
Here's some fun. Here's some fun.
Oh!
Gina! No! Just a bit loud.
I'm absolutely drenched already.
It was fun. We all got to push each other off.
You're gonna go in a circle and then it.
Oh
There's
shit.
a drop.
I apologise now for the language. I
Drop,
apologise for the language.
drop, 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 drop. I know! Yeah! We're soaking! Your turn.
Okay, now it's the big drop.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my.
Please be a drop.
I am on ringing.
Yeah, right there.
Why did you wear your nice shoes? I know, right?
It's the big one. Yeah, so this is the big one.
I've got the camera on myself.
10 feet less than Pirates of the Caribbean. It's not going out, so I know. I could stay here for the rest of the day.
Nah.
Right folks, it's the last stop. Let's go for it.
Okay, we got this, because we can't get off now.
Drop, 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 drop. Yeah, backwards, backwards. Please go down backwards. Drop, drop.
No, don't go down backwards.
Yeah! Again.
Okay, that was not bad.
Again.
us nice and cool for a wee while.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe in the whole day.
Oh, and more dizzy than anything.
Oh, again.
You're absolutely soaked. Why do I wear white
Lucky
shorts?
seat. You picked the lucky seat.
Okay.
At least it won't rain.
I'm going to
down.
steady degrees.
Okay.
Would you go? I'll do that again.
Or maybe later in the day when we're drive. Yeah.